Spring is the perfect time to get outside and refresh your garden decor, and the Spring Shop from Hobby Lobby has everything you need to get started. Pave your way to a beautiful outdoor space with our charming variety of stepping stones. Say hello to unique metal decor and adorable statues and figurines, all ready to welcome you outside. Looking to bring in a quick pop of color? Choose from our huge selection of vibrant garden picks, everything from flowers to butterflies to sweet little birds. If you want to add life and movement, we have wind spinners in lots of fun shapes and sizes. Explore an array of garden flags in every style you can imagine. They're the perfect way to celebrate the season. Here's something to chirp about. We also have plenty of decorative birdhouses to choose from, in metal, ceramic, wood, and more, so you'll definitely find one you'll love. And last but not least, we have adorable rain gauges that will help you keep track of those April showers in style. So this season, stop by Hobby Lobby to find fresh garden decor from the Spring Shop. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.